Last summer, smart lighting company Inseon suddenly shut down without warning users. Overnight, its array of connected light switches, dimmers, wall keypads, and smart home sensors lost the ability to connect to Inseon's servers. The company also shut down user forums and removed its Lido page from its website. Inseon did not respond to a request for comment, but when reached via LinkedIn message, former Inseon CEO Rob Lilness said he had no information to share and no longer had a relationship with the company. The sudden move angered Inseon users who were unable to control the lights in their homes using the Inseon mobile app. Some of the company's smart switches still work like regular light switches, but many models are built-in. Customers who tried to reset the affected devices to default settings found that the devices stopped working afterwards. You might think that incidents like this happen only once and have no similar examples. But the truth is that there are other similar cases that we will discuss today in Software's Land. The next incident came to light when DOV, who had a Google Nest Hub and several other Xiaomi media cameras at home, claimed that he accidentally received images from other people's home hubs when he transferred content from his cameras to Google Nest. The bug was first reported on Reddit with a post titled,
"When I load the Xiaomi camera in my Google Home Hub, I get stills from other people's homes."
The bug is apparently caused by the camera's integration with the Google Home Hub and can occur under poor network conditions, which explains the longer video loading times. Xiaomi said,
"We also found that 1,044 users have made such an integration, and it may only affect a very small number of users with extremely poor network conditions."
At the end of the announcement, Xiaomi said,
"Xiaomi has contacted Google and resolved this issue and has suspended this service until the root cause is fully resolved to ensure that this type of issue does not happen again."
After this incident, Xiaomi kept its promise and prevented it from happening again. But the incidents related to Internet of Things were far from over. It may seem funny, but smart coffee machines that use special apps to connect to the internet can also be targeted by hackers who steal their owner's bank or card details. Vince Stekler, CEO of security giant Avast, said the smart coffee machines will allow users to control them remotely using their phones. When the machine is connected to virtual assistant software, users can even give voice commands to the machine.
Coffee machines are not designed for safety. These are additional vectors in your network. You can't protect them.
It is true that using the internet in this process has its own security flaws. In fact, last year, the number of cyber attacks on objects that work with the internet reached over 112 million cases. But does this mean that the Internet of Things is not efficient enough? For example, there are many cases of prevented massive fires using heat and smoke sensors that alert the fire department in time, or certain type of these wearable devices that have opened their place in the fashion industry can help prevent many health problems by checking vital signs. The more we think, we see that all human inventions can be like this. The same kitchen knife can be used to cook your favorite meal, or it can be misused in various ways that you can think of. It is a matter of preferences. Can you weigh whether the benefits are worth the possible risks or not? Which side of this choice do you stand on? Comment down below.